Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. This is another installment in the November Wellness Challenge series, and I didn't post last week because although this was a Wellness Challenge series, I came down with a pretty bad cold. So I am going to combine weeks 3 and 4 together. And because of that, I did not actually lose any more weight, and I did gain back a pound or 2 when I had Thanksgiving dinner because I did decide to cheat, but I'm still down about 2 pounds overall from where I was when I started. And for me, that's really good given my history of thyroid issues. The other thing that has been going on though is that I think my thyroid is resolving itself somewhat. I have been on thyroid medication since I was 16 with a small break in my early 20s, and then I went back on it after I had my first child, and it's most of the time steadily progressed upward the amount I needed. But recently, with some of the changes I've made, like introducing a more strict intermittent fasting window, I feel like my body is healthier overall. So anyway, I am scheduled to go back and see my endocrinologist in a little while. So I just wanted to let you know that even if you've been on this long term, so for me it's been about 3 decades straight, and then a little bit before that, even though I've been on thyroid medication that long, I am still actually feeling healthier than I have in a really, really long time. So I'm going to really try this time not to let extra things creep in, because I don't want to go backwards in how I'm feeling, my energy levels and that sort of thing. So I'm really excited about that, and I wouldn't have necessarily continued to do this or try to do it while I was sick before, but because I was wanting to participate in this wellness challenge that is being hosted by Sophia of My Great challenge, I was bound and determined to try to stick to it while I was ill. And you know, and then as soon as I ate something that I don't normally eat, like bread in the stuffing, I put back on some weight. So I am going to be trying to get that back off again, but I am happy that it didn't all come back, and I did achieve my goal of not gaining any weight over and above where I had started this journey. So I am looking forward to going through the playlist of other people who are trying to do this. I've been watching Sophia's videos, but because I was not feeling well, I haven't been doing a lot of YouTube viewing or filming for that matter for my own channel. So I'm hoping to get back in the swing of things. You can probably hear it in my throat. I'm still somewhat congested. But I really love Christmas. I love decorating for Christmas. So I am really wanting to get started on my main decorating, and I'm hoping to do that in the next few days. So you should be looking forward to hopefully some Christmas decor in my upcoming videos. Thank you all for taking the time to watch with me. I hope, as I said, if you joined in this wellness journey, that yours is going well as well. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye, everyone.